GatedContent.com's new enhanced reporting module allows you to gain a deeper understanding of your web conversion performance. With session tracking and channel attribution, you'll be able to see where your leads are coming from. New metrics like number of form fields or user device will help you optimize your web conversion strategy. There are 4 report areas available: Gate Activity Summary, Gate Activity Report, Site Report, and Channel Report. The Gate Activity Summary report displays information on all your gates, including geographic data. If you want to know more about a particular section of the report, or any part of the platform for that matter, you can click these info pips. You can change the date range for all reports up here in the right-hand corner. There are 3 key metrics which are used to calculate insights found throughout the reporting area that are important to understand before we continue. Gate loads is the total number of gate loads across all account gates for each day in the reporting period. A gate load is a single load of a gate on a web page. This will normally coincide with the page load and is not dependent on user interaction. Form starts is the total number of form starts across all account gates for each day in the reporting period. A form start is recorded when the user starts interacting with fields on a gate's form. Form submission is the total number of form submissions across all account gates for each day in the reporting period. The action is recorded when the user directly submits a gate's form. These values are used to calculate the session conversion rate, which is the percentage of visitors that resulted in at least one form submission, and the form completion rate, the percentage of form starts that resulted in a form submission. Scrolling down here, we can see the most submitted gates for the date range, as well as the most submitted form types. Finally, we can see a map indicating the number of form submissions by country. The table displays the total number of form submissions, and the percentage share of overall form submissions, and the form conversion rate for each country. The Gate Activity Report is a breakdown of user activity on all gates, and is presented as a table. There are 3 different CSV exports: the standard Gate Activity Report, Gate Activity by Date, and Gate Activity by Date and URL. The site report includes key information about users and sessions. Here you'll find a number of useful graphs, such as the session conversion rate, attribution, field influence, UX type, as in modal or inline, devices, form types, gate types, and progressive submissions. You can also see here your top performing gates. The channel report breaks down activity by channels. Here you will find a table and a graph breaking down the gate activity by channel. You can show and hide channels on the graph by clicking them, and you can also see attribution channel trend by submission, session conversion rate, or visitor sessions by using the drop down here. You can also see enhanced reporting on individual gates. To do this, navigate to a specific gate and click the Gate Analytics button in the top right. Here you will find familiar graphs specific to this gate, as well as some new ones like time of day. If you need to understand any of the terms used in the reporting area, be sure to check the glossary. You can find links to the glossary in the info pips. If you have questions about the reporting area or would like to have it activated on your account, please contact your account manager.